What a Bad Dog. It's a series created by Roderick Hunt and Alex Brechta by Oxford Reading Tree. Floppy went on the concrete. Floppy went in the mud. Oh no! Floppy pulled the washing down. Oh my God! Floppy pushed the Lego over. Oh oh! What a bad dog, said Mom. Floppy barked and barked. Dad couldn't sleep. Dad was cross. What a bad dog, said Dad. The tray was on fire. What a good dog! Thank God the dog saved the house. The end. Hey, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button so you don't miss any new videos from my side. Also, do remember to comment in the comments section of any new video you want me to make next time. Till then, take care and bye.